p.m. What? 11 p.m. Sunday? No way. This can't be true. This has to be AI generated. How do you do it? What program are you using? Yeah, I want to welcome everybody back. If you were on for the 8 p.m. court, this is gonna be the last court of the night, if you will. Who's in here? Oh no. Let me see. Let me move this up. Move this down here. Oops. Okay. Hey, thank you for that. Hey, what's up, Sancho 310? You still in LA? Are you back? Are you back home? I saw that video you posted up that you were on in Southern California. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully you enjoyed your time. Hey, hope we're having a good. Yeah, hopefully we are. Yeah, we still. Hey, Sancho, you gotta check this place out. It's called Dino's. Dino's Hamburger. It's located on Pico and Brendo. You gotta go before you leave. They got the best chicken. They got this. They got this. They got this chicken that's seasoned with this Greek seasoning with French fries. Whew. If you like chicken, check that spot out. You have to. It's mandatory if you go there. And tell me what you think about it. Dino's Pico, gotcha. Yeah. It's the major intersections are gonna be Pico and Vermont, but it's on Pico and Brendo. You can't miss it. You're gonna see a whole line of people. It gets bananas there, but hey, you know what? You can actually order it online so they can have it ready for you to pick it up. It's a small spot, but it's been there, man, since I was a kid. Man, it's been there since it has to be there at least over 35 years at this point. But yeah, definitely check it out if you can. You can't go wrong with Dino's. If you like burgers, I will get a cheeseburger special, if you will. But the pollo, hey, the pollo, you can't go wrong. All right. So I want to go ahead and welcome everybody. Let me see. I'm definitely going to go tomorrow, bro. Appreciate it for sure. For sure. And if you like chicken, another good spot to check, but it's expensive. Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. Man, I love the waffles and the chicken. I think it's the SoCo or something. It's called something like that. Welcome back, brother. Hey, thank you guys. Let me see. Let me get the chat on the screen. And you know what? I want to touch on something before the court starts. We got a few. We have a minute or two. You know, I know earlier on we had a troll, and that's not normal. You know, for these streams. You know, normally I don't even recall the last time we had a troll. But a lot of the times, you know what? I really don't engage with trolls or disrespect them or anything like that, because at the end of the day, you really don't know what people are going through. You know, people are going through a lot of things, you know, out there. And, you know, mental health is a big issue. So, and plus, I wouldn't want that food to show up on my door. You know, it's people, you don't know what people are going through and you know, what they're willing to do, to get their hands on you. Let me see. Did the troll get banned? Nah. He didn't get me banned. Let me see. Hello from Alberta, Canada. They have courts at, yeah, they do. It's actually at 11 p.m. Because the time zone we're in, it's 11 p.m. But yeah, I just wanted to touch on that. You know, mental health it's big, especially right now. And you know, I mean, I got a few laughs, but activated. Let me see. Hopefully, I mean, I'm hoping, or two, maybe it was a kid. You never know. You never know who these people are. All right. Hey, thank you. Hey, what's up, Mickey the man? Thank you. Highly appreciate that.
Thank you. Please be seated. This is the 11 p.m. calendar on July 13th, 2025. Orders are given on the first of the month regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders are made in effect today. What that means for you in the courtroom is this: not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders are going to be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you.
Hey, what up, Ryan?
I'm here to let you know why you're here.
What up, Lexi?
Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you will be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded, so please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney.
I was on earlier on,
Second,
Lexi.
I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me. Unfortunately, I'm not your legal counsel, so I can't answer legal questions for you. So please save your legal questions for your attorney as well. Finally, you're going to be hearing about lots of different dates and different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork.
Spicy, thank
That's
you.
why it's important to keep your paperwork and save it. Don't lose it. If you end up missing a court date or if you don't follow a written court order, you could just end up back here.
I hope you get better
Here's how
soon,
tonight's
Lexi.
gonna work. I'm gonna call 2 names. First name I call is gonna come in the courtroom, stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is gonna sit on that chair next to the door. Then we're gonna keep on cycling through until the calendar's finished. Can I please get Jonathan Massett to the podium?
Jonathan,
Jasmine
come on
Botich to the chair,
down.
please.
I normally watch these on my projector screen.
Name and date of birth, please.
Jonathan Massett, and March 25th, 1992.
Thank you. You're here today on a municipal court new case and a probation violation warrant.
I like watching these
Let
on
me talk
life
to you about your new
size.
case. You've been arrested for possession of drug paraphernalia, class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 23rd. That's at the Buckeye City Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $50. You also have a
$50.
probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 21. That's at the Downtown Superior Court. At the request of your judge, you're going to be held non-bondable due to the violation of your probation. So please don't try to pay that $50 secured appearance bond because you're being held non-bondable on your
Melissa,
felony
thank
case.
you for that daily heart.
Why don't please step to your left for your paperwork. Jasmine Botich to the podium. Christopher Pollock to the chair, please.
Does that fool have a Looney Tunes jersey on? Nah, it can't be. Who's gonna show up with a court with a Looney Tunes
Name and date of birth, please.
Yasmin Botich,
jersey? Not I.
Date of birth, please.
7699.
Thank you. You are here today on a Superior Court grand jury warrant. The grand jury has found probable cause to hold you on 2 counts of fraudulent schemes and artifices, a Class 2 felony, theft, a Class 2 felony, conspiracy, Class 2 felony, 2 counts of money laundering, Class 3 felony.
Money, just do
trafficking and
it
stolen
like Nike.
property, Class 3 felony. Organized retail theft, Class 4 felony. Illegal control of an enterprise, a Class 3 felony. All these were alleged to have occurred between January and December of starting in January of 2018 all the way through December of 2023.
Damn, that fool had a good
I'm assigning you
run.
an attorney. Your next court dates are July 8th. Next court date is July 18th in the Downtown Superior Court.
This is real time.
Sending
Yep.
a cash bond, affirming the cash bond of the grand jury of $30,000. If you're able to post that bond, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. No contact with any of your co-defendants. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. And you must obey the order of protection that's been placed against you. And you must surrender all passports at your next court date. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Yeah, it's on.
Please do not ban us. We see Teresa.
Christopher Pollock to the podium.
Hi, Teresa.
Christopher Arrieta to the chair, please.
I said, please do not ban us, okay?
Name and date of birth, please.
Christopher Pollock, 9/18/79.
Thank you. You are here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for aggravated assault, a Class 4 felony. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are July 18th and July 22nd in the Downtown Superior Court. Sending a secured appearance bond of $25,000. If you're able to post bond, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision with an electronic ankle monitor. Furthermore, if you're able to bond out, you are not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If there's any
What up,
orders
Anthony?
of protection that are placed against you, you have to follow those orders. Finally, you may not reside with the alleged victim, even if you're the owner or renter of the property. You're allowed 1 civil standby with local law enforcement to return to collect any essential belongings, and you're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order
What does that fool
can
have in
lead
his
to a
head?
Class 6 felony. Finally, please step to your left for your paperwork.
Yo, so this is Maricopa County in
Christopher Arrieta to the podium.
Maricopa County in
Gabriel
Arizona.
Sanceros to the chair, please.
Oh no, damn, that fool has some long hair. Damn.
Name and
Yes,
date of birth,
see.
please.
Christopher Arrieta, 6577.
Thank you. You're here today on an out-of-county warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court
took
date's
my-
July
you
16th.
took my-
That's at the
My
Benson
daily heart.
Justice Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the judge up there. It's a $10,000 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond
Give
out,
us
you're not to
another
possess any
daily
weapons,
heart.
drugs,
Don't
or
say that.
alcohol. But please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
What's that?
Well, go ahead and get your paperwork on the left. Gabriel Sanceros to the podium.
You're gonna get us
Antonio Freire to the chair, please.
Please do not not banned us.
Hey, what up, Emily? What up, Regina? Hey, thank you, Nick Knack, for the follow. Highly appreciate you. What up, Austin? How is your court so late? Because crime never stops. Arizona's crime rating, if you will. Hey, you're blocking me, dude. You're going to get us banned.
Antonio Freire to the podium. Shelby Watkins to the chair, please.
Hell yeah. He's making that night differential pay. He's getting that weekend pay.
Okay, no. Antonio right here, and it's 10/14/1989.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case and 3 probation violation warrants. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for taking the identity of another Class 4 felony, criminal trespass, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are July 18th and July 22nd at the Downtown Superior Court, setting a placeholder bond of $50.
Right, Melissa?
You also have 3 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you counsel. Your next court date is July 21st for all 3 of those. I'm affirming the bond set. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's $500 on the first one, $500 on the second, $1,500 on the third. Sir, if you're able to bond out on all of your matters, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. Shelby Watkins to the podium. Frank Romero to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Shelby Rose Watkins, January 2nd, 1996.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 failure to appear warrants. I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court dates are...
Your Honor, I did go to those courts.
Ma'am, let me just finish up first, and then
Okay,
let me check what's going on. Your next court dates are July 18th and July 21 in the Downtown Superior Court. This time, I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge, $1,000 cash bond on each one, so total $2,000 cash. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
What up, Nana?
Most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Christina, thank you.
Let me check one thing here.
So, so normally when they start off the courts, a lot of these people don't get bonded out with no bail, or they get high bails. Towards the end, they'll start letting people go. But it varies. It varies from court hearing to court hearing. And this is live. This is happening right now in real time right now. Hey, what up, C? What's up, Chad? How's it going? 21, he meant the 21st. Is this
late to court?
It's not the mustache judge.
So my attorney told me the night before to go to my probation violation court because it was the same time as the arraignment, and that he was going to go to the arraignment for me. So I did go to the probation violation court. I was there at about like 10 to 10:30 or something like that. And I talked to the judge's clerk, and she gave me a court date saying that both of my cases were going to be together. And so I left, because I showed up and she gave me a future court date. I didn't think that I would have a failure to appear for either of them.
You don't go to court, you get a failure to appear.
Still,
it's pretty easy.
Still affirm the warrant, even if your counsel showed up over there and she didn't quash those. So this time I'm going to be affirming those for now.
What up, Bobby Hill?
The earlier one is July 18th. As early as you can talk to the judge about getting those warrants taken away, okay?
But judge!
Okay.
All right. Fine, please step to your left for your paperwork. Frank Romero to the podium. Daniel Beely to the chair, please.
Next! Damn. Up next on The Price is Wrong. She went super slow. She was slow motion for me over there.
Frank Romero, 12/11/1989.
Thank you.
What
You're
up,
here
Danny?
today on 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 21 for both of those cases. I am affirming the bond set. I am actually setting secured appearance bonds of $1,000 for each one, so total $2,000 secured appearance
She
bonds.
said that? I'm not
If
sure.
you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most
What?
important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Okay.
Why don't you-
On the bond, is it, it's $2,000 altogether, or is it just the 20%?
No, it's the percentage.
Oh, okay.
So you can call a bond company.
What does he have
Thank you,
tatted on his
All right,
neck?
thank you. Please start your left for your paperwork. Daniel Beely to the podium.
A building?
Ramon Banda to the chair, please.
I can't make it out. I can't call it.
Name and date of
Hey,
birth,
thank
please.
you, Mississippi.
5/12/75, sir.
Name, please.
Daniel Beely.
Thank you. You're here today on a municipal court new case. You've been arrested for assault, Class 1 misdemeanor, four counts of disorderly conduct, Class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 23rd. That's at the Goodyear City Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $1,000.
Vilma,
if you're
thank
able
you.
to post bond, you are not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any
Mississippi,
victim or
thank you.
witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If there's any orders of protection that are placed against you, you have to follow those orders. Finally, you may not reside with any of the alleged victims, even if you're the owner or renter of the property. You're allowed one civil standby with local law enforcement to collect any essential belongings, and you're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order will lead to a Class 6 felony.
Yes, sir.
Finally, please step to your left for your paperwork.
So, am I be able to, leave?
Sir, no, it's $1,000 to bond out. Ramon Banda to the podium.
You-
Jesus Palomino to the chair, please.
You ain't going nowhere. What up, Nikki Money? Or Nikki? What up, Nikki?
Name and date
It's
of birth,
Mooney,
please.
right?
Ramon Banda, 10/20/1991.
Thank you. You're here today on 3 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 21 for all 3 of your cases in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It
Jody,
is
thank you.
$500 secured on each one, so total $1,500 secured. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't please start to your left for your paperwork. Jesus Palomino to the podium.
Hey, that fool looks like that one
J. Thomas
that
Hunt
one
to the chair,
comedian,
please.
Felipe Esparza, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So they just got arrested, so they could bond out right now. They still have time to get out if they got the money, if they got the moolah. Hey, what up, Frank?
Name and
How's
date
it
of birth,
going?
please.
Jesus Palomino, 9/24/1988.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court dates are July 18 and July 22 in the downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by your original judge, it's a $500 secured appearance
That's
bond.
right, Frank.
If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. J. Thomas Hunt to the podium.
They know. I would
Dion
say
McCall to the chair, please.
it's case by case on if they bond out or not. A lot of people, you got to remember, they're done on their luck.
Name and date of birth, please.
J. Thomas Clayton Hunt, date of birth 2896.
Thank you. You're here today on a municipal court new
Play our
case.
daily heart.
You've been arrested for 2 counts of assault, Class 1 misdemeanor,
And not for
1
him.
count of criminal damage, Class 1 misdemeanor, 1 count of disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor.
Please
I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 23rd. That's at the Buckeye City Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $500. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victims or witnesses. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If there's any orders of protection that are placed against you, you have to follow those orders. And I'm not sure whether this applies to you or not, but you cannot live with the alleged victims, even if you're the owner or renter of the property. You're allowed 1 civil standby with local law enforcement
thank you.
to collecting essential belongings.
K&D,
And caution that
gracias.
a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a Class 6 felony.
Gracias.
Yes, sir. May I request a reconsideration of the bond? The reason why I asked for a reconsideration of the bond
She
is
did her own
that
mic.
I am the only one currently that works. I pay all the bills. I pay for the food for my kids, and I would like to be able to still be able to work and deal with anything. I'm not going to reach out. I'm not going to break any of the court orders. I just need to be able to take care of my kids and the finances while this is being taken care of, Your Honor.
So every person that comes in here, given the nature of the charges and any type of criminal history, I treat everyone the same way. understanding that you're not the only person in here that comes through that has a job that might need to protect that job. I have to weigh both that and you showing up to court in the future, and also the protection of the victims in this case.
I think she's
In this case, I don't find cause to reduce the $500 bond at this time.
Yeah, little ducky.
So, sir, I'm going to be affirming the $500 the secured appearance bond. It's secured. You can use a bond company, so it's not $500 cash. So, if you
My
call
daughter
a
is
bond
like that in
company,
my face
see what
right now.
they're willing to work with you on. And
So we got the same problem.
yeah, if you want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
No, he is lying. He always lies. And he was
Dion,
a
recall to the
child.
podium.
He don't get no presents.
Rhiannon Gruber to the chair, please.
Harris County in Houston gives you 100 bonds on felonies and give you low bonds on. You gotta drop my setup right now.
That's right.
Name and date of birth.
Dion Rochelle, I have a second
Hey,
95.
Paul, thank you for the follow.
What's your last name, sir?
Rochelle.
Oh, so
right.
tired. So tired.
Here today on a municipal court warrant.
Vancouver,
I'm signing you
nah,
an attorney.
nah.
Your next court date's July 23rd. That's at the Litchfield Park City Court. I am reducing your bond down to $300 cash. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork?
What am I here for?
On a warrant for a theft that happened back in July 2022. So if you want to please step to your left for your paperwork.
Hey, this is the mustache judge, right?
Rhiannon Gruber to the podium.
Yeah, this is the mustache.
Andrew
This is
DeSama to the chair, please.
This is the hipster mustache judge. Oh man, my thing got stuck.
Name and date of birth, please.
Rhiannon Don Gruber, 53094.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 21 in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $250. If you're able to post that bond, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Oh no, it's not.
Okay.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Andrew DeSama to the podium. Pamela Benavides to the chair, please.
Kind of sounds like him. YouTube is frozen.
Name
No,
and date of birth,
I
please.
fixed it. I just fixed
Andrew
it.
DeSummer, 422,
My camera, right?
96.
Thank you. You're here today on a Justice Court new case. You've been arrested for attempted threatening and intimidating, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 16th. That's at the Arrowhead Justice Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $250. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victims or witnesses. And you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If there's any orders against harassment that are placed against you, you have to follow those orders.
Okay.
Please step to your left for your paperwork. Pamela Benavides to the podium.
That fool looks like Teen Wolf
Rodney
Lost in
Rutledge to the
America.
chair, please.
Or American Werewolf. Is it a Teen Wolf or American Werewolf?
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Pamela Benavides, May 30th, 1974.
Thank you. You're here today on a municipal court warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 23rd. That's at the Goodyear City
Teen
Court.
Wolf.
I am reducing your bond down to $250 secured. If you're able to bond out,
This
you're
is
just
wrong.
not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Rodney Rutledge to the podium. Emily Franco to the chair, please.
Hey, it's definitely a full roster tonight, or a full docket.
Name and date of birth, please.
Everybody got picked
Rodney
up tonight.
Rutledge, 62375.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court arrest warrant. Probable cause is previously found for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony.
Maricopa.
These were alleged to have occurred back in February 2024. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are July 18th and July 22nd in the downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by your judge, it's a $100 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Hey, did that guy walk like he has like two wooden
Emily
legs?
Franco to the podium.
Look when he walks right now.
Marcus Stevens to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Emily Franco, 103190.
Thank you. You're here today on Justice Court warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's July 16th. That's at the Santan Justice Court. I'm reducing your bond to $100 secured. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Please step to your left for your paperwork. DeMarcus Stevens to the podium. Brenda Haro to the chair,
Bobby
please.
Hill.
Name and date of birth, please.
DeMarcus Stevens, July 4th, 1991.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for unlawful flight from law enforcement, Class 5 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are July 18th and July 22nd in the downtown Superior Court. Setting a placeholder bond of $50. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Did you say the bond was $50?
Correct.
Okay.
All right, please step to your left for your paperwork. Brenda Haro to the podium. Henry Montoya to the chair, please.
All right, we got Montoya coming up right now. Did he say Tony?
Name and date of birth, please.
Brenda Paola Roma Vizca, date of birth 10/20/1994.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior
Damn, she
Court
looks
new
young.
case. You've been arrested for criminal damage, Class 4 felony, criminal damage, a Class 1 misdemeanor, disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor. 2 counts of disorderly conduct, Class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are July 28th and July 31st in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. You're going to be placed on supervised release. You're going to be alcohol and drug tested and monitored. You're going to be fitted with an electronic ankle monitor. You are not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any of the victims or witnesses. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. You must obey any terms of orders of protection. You may
And
have
she
no
looks
contact
innocent.
with victims whatsoever by any means. You're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a Class 6 felony. Do you
Agua.
understand all of these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Do you promise to appear on July 28th and July 31st in the downtown Superior Court?
I do.
And do you understand if you don't show up, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yes, sir.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you to the supervision of pretrial services. It's your responsibility to call them during normal business hours tomorrow. If you fail to call them, you'll end up back here. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Please start your left.
Hey man, I could have mistaken her for like a
Henry
bookworm.
Montoya to the podium.
Obviously,
Karina
I'm
Quintana
wrong.
to the chair, please.
So the audio and the video is out of sync, but that's because of the
Name and date of
court.
birth, please.
Henry Montoya, 01-2304.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant. I'm not assigning you an attorney because for your types of charges, you don't get a free attorney, but you can hire your own attorney if you want one. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
All right, sir. Upon your your next court date is July
crime was
29th
in
at the
a
West Mesa
library.
Justice Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today.
Yes, sir.
There's some conditions to your
Oh,
release.
this was happy.
You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to follow these conditions?
Yes, sir. If I violate those, I violate my probation.
Yeah. Do you promise to appear on July 29th
Yep.
at the West
Also
Mesa
violation
Justice
of my
Court?
probation.
Okay. And you understand if you don't show up, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yes, sir.
All right. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you on your own
I
cognizance.
promise.
All right. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Hey Roddy, don't even trip. It's all good,
Karina
Roddy.
Quintana to the podium.
Hey, I just appreciate
Katerina
you guys
Miller to the
tapping
chair,
in.
please.
Like I say, I don't expect anything from you guys.
David,
You guys are not required to for anything.
September 16, 1995.
Just tap.
Thank you. You're
Drop
here today on
comments.
Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. Possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony.
This one, she's
I
bad
found probable
hairdo.
cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are July 28 and July 31 in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today, but there's some conditions to your release. You're going to be placed on supervised release, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand all
What
these
am I
conditions?
looking at?
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Yes.
Do you promise to appear on July 28th?
Well, it
and
depends
July
what you're
31
referring to,
in
me or
downtown
her.
Superior Court?
Yes.
And do you understand if you don't show up, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yes.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you to the supervision of pretrial services. Ma'am, it's your responsibility to call them during normal business hours tomorrow.
Okay.
If you fail to call them, you'll end up back here. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Katerina Miller to the podium. Jorge Moreno to the chair, please.
She just is that Miley Cyrus? Damn, she looking mighty rough nowadays.
Name and date of birth, please.
Katerina Miller, 11-14-91.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for criminal trespass, a Class 6 felony, disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor.
What up, Jay?
I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are July 28th and July 31st.
Hey,
in
thank you,
downtown
Regina.
Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. You're going to be placed on supervised release. You're going to be fitted with an electronic ankle monitor. Furthermore, you're not to return to the scene of the crime.
I'm not sure what his
contact with the
charges were.
victim or witnesses. Not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If there's any orders of protection that are placed against you, you have to follow those orders. The only exception to the no victim contact order is this. Defendant may only contact the victim for purposes of child exchange. No other contact is allowed. Do you understand these conditions?
Yes, domestic.
Do you promise to follow these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to appear on July 28th and July 31st in the downtown Superior Court?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand if you don't show up, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yes, sir.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you to the supervision of pretrial services. Ma'am, it's your responsibility to call them during normal business hours once you're out of custody. If you fail to call them, you'll end up back here. Do you understand that?
Thank you for that daily heart.
All right, thank you. Please start your life for paperwork.
Your name's too fancy, but you have a
Jorge
blue heart.
Moreno to the podium.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Alex
Found
Valenzuela to the
your
chair,
other
please.
account. Hey, thank you. Not the Timo
Hi, is
translator.
the interpreter on the line?
Damn it.
Yes, hello.
Did it come up on your FYP?
I'll be the Spanish interpreter, ID number 7611.
Thank you. I'll be speaking to the defendant now. Could I please have your full name and date of birth?
This is Arizona, yeah. This is going to be Maricopa County,
Yo
FYP.
seré el intérprete de esta llamada. Habla en oraciones claras y cortas para interpretar todo lo que usted
Revo,
diga.
okay. Thank you.
Por favor, deme su nombre completo y su fecha de nacimiento.
What do you guys think this guy did?
Jorge Andrés Moreno Lugo, 5 de julio de 1987.
I say DUI. Thank you, bro.
Por favor, hable en
You're welcome,
oraciones
Jay.
claras y cortas para interpretar todo lo que usted diga. Nombre completo. Lento, por favor.
Jorge Andrés Moreno Lugo, mi fecha de nacimiento es el 5 de julio de 1987.
He's from 87,
Muchas
1987.
gracias. The name is Jorge Andrés Moreno Lugo, date of birth July the 5th, 1987.
This is the last court of the night.
Thank you. You are here on a Superior Court new case and 3 probation violation warrants.
Damn, 3.
Muchas gracias. Usted está el día de hoy aquí por el motivo de 3 violaciones.
I think that fool left. That guy, if I was him, I would have been gone.
Caso de su corte superior.
You're talking about the guy that we were
You've
making
been
fun of, right?
arrested
That
for
needed a
theft
bra?
of means of transportation, a Class 3 felony, and possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, a Class 4 felony.
Yeah, that fool took off.
Usted fue
If he was
arrestado,
smart.
Por motivo de transporte.
Damn.
También por un delito de clase 3
This was his
y
goose
por
is cooked.
portación de un arma
Damn, that fool was
prohibido
strapped
por una
up.
persona es delito clase 4.
I have found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney.
He determinado causa probable y se le asignará un abogado.
Your next court dates are July 18 and July 22 in the downtown court.
Las siguientes fechas de corte son el 2 de julio y el 22 de julio
Nothing too
en la
crazy yet.
corte de la ciudad.
I'm setting a bond of $1,000.
That's it? I'll get bailed that I'm out. Gone. I'm outro. Crossing
Y
that border.
estará
Late.
enviando una lista de $1,000.
You also have 3 probation violation warrants.
What time can we watch?
También
5 a.m.,
tiene
8 a.m.,
3 advertencias de
11 a.m.,
violación de libertad
2 p.m., 5 p.m.
Your next court
8 p.m.
date
and
on
11
those
p.m.
is July 21.
Su siguiente fecha para corte de esas son del 21 de julio.
For all 3 probation violations, you have a $2,000 bond.
2,000. He's lucky
Y
that
por todas esas violaciones de las
Every single
libertades
day.
condicionales, usted tiene una cuota de $2,000.
So total, you have a $3,000 bond.
Damn, 3,000 now? What happened to 1,000? Compa, you
Así
better
que,
get them
en
PS3s
total,
ready.
Usted tiene una cuota total de $3,000.
Right, Rod?
If you're able to pay that bond and are released, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, and you cannot contact any victim or witness.
Hey, what up, Chacha?
Si usted puede pagar esa fianza y de ser liberado,
Hey, Reina,
usted
thank you
no
for the
puede
follow.
regresar a la escena del crimen y contactar a ninguna de las víctimas o ninguno de los testigos.
You are also not to possess any weapons, drugs,
What up,
or
Just Me?
alcohol.
Tampoco puede tener en su posesión ningún arma, droga o alcohol.
Finally, if you are released, you must contact your probation officer within 3 days.
Finalmente, si usted fuese a ser liberado, usted tiene que contactar a su oficial de libertad condicional en los próximos 3 días.
Please go to your left for your paperwork.
We've been on for about 45 minutes.
Por favor, pase acá para su papeleo.
But court's only been on for about 33 minutes.
Alex Valenzuela?
No crazy cases yet, Alexis. Just the typical stuff, probation violations,
Could I please have your full name and date of birth?
DUI, rugs, extreme DUI.
¿Me puede dar, por favor, su nombre completo y fecha de nacimiento?
Alex Gael Alcalá Valenzuela, el 10 de octubre del 2001.
Alex Gael Alcalá Valenzuela, October the 10th, 2001.
What was his name?
Thank you. You are here on a new case in Buckeye City Court.
Can I please have a repetition of the city's name, please?
Buckeye.
Thank you. Usted está aquí en un caso de la Corte de la Ciudad de Buckeye.
You have been arrested for criminal damage, a Class 1 misdemeanor, and disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor.
Disorderly conduct.
Usted fue arrestado por daño criminal, daño de clase 1, y también conducta en desorden, también de clase 1.
I have found probable cause.
He encontrado causa probable.
I'm not assigning you a free attorney because for these types of charges, you do not get a free attorney. But if you want to, you can hire your own attorney.
No se le asignará un abogado gratuitamente porque para este tipo de cargos no se asignan abogados gratuitamente, pero si usted quiere, usted puede contratar uno por su cuenta.
Your next court date is July 29 at the Buckeye City Court.
Su siguiente fecha para la corte sería el 29 de julio en la Corte de la Ciudad de Buckeye.
Upon your promise to appear, I will be releasing you today, but there are conditions to your release.
Hey, what up, Liz? Arizona
Tras
Court,
su
yep.
promesa de sí atender,
Maricopa.
se le dejará en libertad el día de hoy, pero hay unas condiciones para su libertad.
You are not to return to the scene of the crime, and you are not to have any contact with any victim or witness.
Usted no deberá regresar a la escena del crimen y no tendrá que tener ningún tipo de contacto con ninguna víctima ni testigo.
You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Usted no deberá tener en posesión ningún tipo de arma, droga o alcohol.
You cannot live with the victim, even if you own or rent the property.
Agua, drop one, flush one.
Usted no puede vivir con la víctima, inclusive si usted es dueño o usted renta la propiedad.
Nico.
I'm warning you that a violation of a no victim contact order can
Mama, thank
lead
you
to
for
a
the
Class
follow.
6 felony.
Like, hey, I don't get it.
Y también le advierto que una
I don't get it.
violación a una orden de no tener contacto con una víctima, una violación de esto puede conducir a un delito clase 6.
Do you understand all of these conditions?
¿Usted entiende todas estas condiciones?
Sí.
On YT.
Yes.
On YT, if you will.
Do you promise to follow all of these conditions?
At collect call from on YT.
¿Usted promete seguir estas condiciones?
Sí.
I don't get it. Like, if I was like these people, what do they think? Like, you're out here committing crimes?
Mr.
Yeah.
Interpreter?
That is correct. Yes, HK. Check out at collect call from on YT.
Okay.
Just type that into the search bar.
Do you currently live with any of the victims?
¿Usted vive actualmente con alguna otra víctima?
Hey, thank you, Laura. Hello, Laura.
No.
Go to my profile. It's on my links.
No.
No.
Okay. Do you promise to appear on July 29 at the Buckeye City Court?
For sure. Thank you for the follow, HK.
¿Usted promete presentarse el 29 de julio en la corte de la ciudad de Buckeye?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand if you don't show up, a warrant will be placed for your arrest?
This fool ain't showing up. I wouldn't show up. Especially if I didn't speak any English.
¿Usted entiende que si
Hell
usted
no,
no
I'm
se
not showing
presenta,
up.
se
Adios,
pondrá
amigo.
una orden para su arresto?
Okay.
I wouldn't even be jaywalking if I was in this guy's situation. I just haven't had any
Mr.
free
Interpreter?
time, but I've been good. Thank you. I
Okay.
think today was the first day that I came on.
Upon your promise to appear, I will be releasing you today. Please go to your left for your paperwork.
Tras su promesa de sí presentarse, lo voy a liberar el día de hoy. Por favor, pase acá para sus papeles.
Sí. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your help, Mr. Interpreter.
Thank you.
For the last four individuals, I'll be visiting in the back of their cell.
You might be right, Liz.
Harm to themselves or to others. Estrella Perez, date of birth 8/5/93, is here on a Superior Court new case. Arrested for resisting arrest, Class 6 felony. Refusal to give a true name, Class 1 misdemeanor. Criminal trespass, Class 3 misdemeanor. Found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Next court dates are July 18th, July 22nd at the Downtown Superior Court, setting secured appearance bond of $500. If she posts bond, pretrial services supervision, not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. David Price, date of birth 2/25/78, here on a Superior Court new case. Arrested for aggravated assault, Class 3 felony, 2 counts of aggravated assault, Class 5 felony. I'm not finding probable cause on the Class 3 felony ag assault. I am finding probable cause on the 2 counts of aggravated assault, Class 5. I'm assigning counsel. The next court dates are July 18th and July 22nd at the Downtown Superior Court, setting secured appearance bond of $1,000. If he's able to post bond, 1 pretrial services supervision, alcohol testing and monitoring, not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Jose Gutierrez, date of birth 12/11/1997, is here on a Superior Court new case. Arrested for aggravated assault, Class 3 felony, aggravated assault, Class 4 felony, unlawful imprisonment, Class 6 felony, assault, Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning an attorney. Next court dates are July 18th, July 22nd in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a cash bond of $100,000. If he's able to post bond, pretrial services supervision, electronic ankle monitoring, not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, must obey any orders of protection, cannot have any contact with the victim whatsoever by any means. Gabriel Cenceros, date of birth 10/9/2003, here on a Superior Court new case, arrested for 4 counts of organized retail theft, Class 4 felony, I have found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel. Next court dates are July 18th and July 22nd in the downtown Superior Court. Setting security appearance bond of $5,000. If he's able to bond out, pretrial services supervision. Not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. Not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Cannot enter any Marshalls, CVS, or Quick Trip stores. After visiting these individuals back at their cell, if I'm to make any changes to these release conditions, I'll come back on the record to make those changes. This concludes the 11 p.m. calendar.
All right, guys, there it is. This is the last court of the night. I'll be on tomorrow sometime. I'll probably be on for the 11 a.m. court. For those of you guys, not the QT, right, Linda? Yeah, I'll probably be on for the 11 a.m. one. Local time would be the Los Angeles local time or Phoenix, Arizona local time. For those of you that want to tune in, I know there's different people tuning in from all around the world. So just look up Los Angeles local time. That's right, Alexis, lights out. Hey, I do appreciate you guys, all right? I'm going to go ahead and take it down for the night. I'll be back tomorrow. And if you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. Doesn't cost you a thing. And best of all, I don't ask you guys for anything. The only thing that I do ask for is free. Either tapping the screen, dropping comments, sharing. Sharing is caring. And that's it. You know, if you can afford tapping or hitting the follow button, then you guys are really doing real bad. You know what I'm saying? Then with that, I can't help you. But it's free. You know, hey, thank you guys. I do appreciate you guys. Lexi, Laura, Bobby Hill, Crystal. Who else is in here? Danny. I appreciate all of you guys. For tuning in. Whenever you guys see me pop on. And then when you follow, you get the notifications. Also, if you guys like watching these streams when I'm not on, I do run them on YT. You might be wondering what YT is at Collect Call From on YT. I run these on a daily basis, 7 days a week, and pretty much throughout the day. So if you do like watching them, you can watch them without me commenting. I know a lot of you like to watch them with me commenting, but unfortunately I can't be on all the time. Whenever the time permits, then I do jump on, and then you get comments like this. Anyhow, hey, if you guys are subscribed, highly appreciate you guys. Bobby Hill and Regina, thank you for that sub today, and also sharing a sub with Ronnie. Highly appreciate you. Yeah. Anyhow, hey, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a Collect Call From, and like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, I'm out. A rato, and have a good night.